What if the man who shaped Western philosophy was taught by a woman history tried to forget? Aspasia of Miletus, a foreign woman in Athens, associated with Pericles. Some whispered she was his lover, renowned for her intellect and rhetorical skill. Some ancient sources suggest that Socrates may have learned from her. And in Plato's Symposium, Socrates credits a mysterious woman, Diotima, as the source of his deepest insights on love and transcendence. So we have to ask, was philosophy really born in the agora, the marketplace, or was it transmitted through voices we later erased? Because what Socrates teaches isn't just logic, it's ascent, transformation, a movement toward the divine. Not all lineages are written down, and some are whispered and only later attributed to men.